Magandang araw mga ka-NFT at welcome sa aking channel. In today's video, i-discuss natin kung paano natin i-avoid ang mga rug pull and scam tokens na naglipanan sa crypto world. Bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating video, syempre, please subscribe na YouTube channel kung hindi pa nagagawa. Ano nga ba ang rug pull? Ang rug pull is a malicious maneuver in the cryptocurrency industry where crypto developers abandon a project and run away with investor funds. It is a form of a scam in crypto. Kadalasan ay nadadali yung mga newbie at mga na-FOMO or na-hype na investor sa mga social media. Meron tatlong types ng rug pull. Una is yung tinatawag na yung liquidity pool. Ito yung pinupull out ng mga developers ng token na nasa liquidity pool. Nangyayari ito kapag ang liquidity pool ng token ay hindi nakalock at ang developer ay may ability na i-pull out yung nasa liquidity pool. At kapag naubos na ang laman ng liquidity pool, ang mga investor hindi na nila may pagpapalit ang kanilang token hanggang sa tuluyan itong bumagsak. If gusto mo pang matuto about liquidity pool, just check the video description on my channel or the LP tutorial video. Ang selling or dumping of shares naman ay ang pagbebenta ng mga whales or developers itself ng big amount of tokens, causing it to drop instantly. Ang type of rug pull nito ay madali natin naiiwasan if malalaman mo at nare-review mo ang mga holders ng isang token. Later in this video, ipapakita natin paano ma-check ang mga current holders ng isang token. Ang last type ng rug pull ay ang disabling ng sell swap token sa kanilang contract address. Ang mga developer ng scam token basically may mga kakayahan niya i-disable yung pag-swap ng kanilang token. Meaning you cannot sell the token after buying it. It will be just be in your wallet forever. O diba? May forever. Habang ang mga developers ay nagdadump ng shares nila, ikaw naman ay walang magawa. Download ka lang. Hindi mo mas sell yung or mas swap yung token. So yun, ang rug pull ay isang sa mga consequence lamang if you invested without studying or researching the NFT or crypto. Madali lang naman siya maiwasan if you do your research on how to avoid it. Pero paano nga ba natin malalaman na ma-check yung mga rug pull or scam tokens? First, syempre, you have to know the overall project itself. Yung white paper niya, developers, roadmaps, etc. Next is the liquidity pool. You have to at least know if nakalock ba yung LP and ano yung liquidity ratio. Importantly, you need to know also yung token holders, kung ilang percentage ang hawak ng developer. At whales, which is an indicator kung sino ang pwedeng mag-rug pull ng isang token. Dapat alam din natin yung burning mechanism ng isang project. And lastly, we need to be very wary sa mga nababasa natin sa social media. More importantly, yung mga social media bots na nag-utilize ng mga developer for scam tokens. Ano ba ang dapat natin malaman sa isang project? Makikita natin kadalasan sa white paper almost lahat ng details about sa isang project. Ano ba yung white paper na tinatawag? Ang white paper is a document released by a crypto project that gives investors technical information about its project concept. Dito kadalasan makikita natin yung game mechanics, what the NFT game is about, yung gameplay niya. Siyempre, you have to analyze how it differs from others, diba? And if the gameplay makes sense ba. Also, makikita din natin dito yung roadmap at kung ano yung mga features na re-release na given a certain timeline or i-deliver nila sa specific quarter of the year. Although rug pulls project also have roadmaps, it is still an indicator of a potential good project, diba? Makikita rin dito if the developer wallet, if it's a multi-sig wallet. Yung multi-signature kasi or multi-sig wallet ay isang feature na parang joint account sa bank na hindi makaka-withdraw. If yung partner mo on that joint account ay wala mong consent to withdraw or kumuha ng token. I don't know yet how to check this, but normally they just mention it sa kanilang site or white paper and just trust that they are not lying. Aside from the white paper, you can also do the background checks on the developer to make sure they are legit, syempre. Usually, yung mga crypto projects meron ng site doon nilalagay lahat pati yung list of developers, di ba, mga features nila. At least, dapat makikita mo if you don't see the faces or no legit profile yung mga developers sa site. Medyo mag-ingat ka na in investing on that token. Usually ako tinitignan ko kung merong LinkedIn or at least Facebook group na kung verified yung mga accounts nila. Lastly, of course, you have to check yung mga partners. Do background checks on the partners and make sure they are legit. There are some cases na yung site nila, they put a lot of famous partners, but when you go to the site of their partner, the legit company doesn't show or announce any partnership about that crypto project. This is a simple way of checking legitimacy and credibility ng project nila. Ang dali lang ilagay yung mga logo ng mga company na yun say there are partners pero hindi naman pala totoo. So ito yung mga basics mo malaman to check the legitimacy ng isang crypto project. The next thing we have to check is yung liquidity pool. This topic is very confusing, so I made another video about it. Check it in the description below para malaman nyo. So balik tayo sa liquidity pools. These are pools of tokens that are locked into a smart contract and that facilitate efficient asset trading while allowing investors to earn a return on their holdings. The two things we have to check are yung locking and liquidity ratio. It is important to check the token lock periods to know if the developers have the capability to run away with the tokens in liquidity pool. The ADI period is 1 year. If you see na yung locking period niya is around 1 to 3 months, it should be a red flag na sa'yo. In liquidity ratio naman ay yung ideal percentage to check is 60%. Be careful if there's a liquidity ratio of 10 to 25%. Low liquidity levels kasi mean that the market volatility is present dito, and also an indicator of rug pull. But the current holder of the token is one important thing to check also. This can be checked in BSC scan for Binance Smart Chain project or Etherscan for Ethereum. The amount of tokens the team holds is very important. It is not good if the team has too many tokens and they are not locking up. Because anytime the team can dry up the liquidity pool by selling the tokens they hold. If ginawa nila ito slowly para hindi masyado halata, we can say soft rug pull yun. But if they do it suddenly, you can say it's a hard rug pull or yung bigla. Ito yung makikita nyo yung parang may kandila na pula sa mga charts or espada or kung ano yun. If you happen to see naman na may wallet na may hawak na mataas na percentage of token, probably more than 15% of the supply, it is not owned by the developer, it is probably owned by a whale investor. Alam naman natin, di ba, kapag may whale, sila yung mag-dictate ng price ng isang token. They can just dump their tokens anytime they want or kung trip nila. So yung port natin is burning mechanism, which is another thing to check. Burning sa crypto ay process ng pag-send ng token sa isang wallet na walang may access to reduce the token circulating supply improperly to make them untradeable or unusable. Lowering the supply of the token, syempre, increases the valuation ng isang token. Lalo na kung maganda yung project, is maraming demand. Andiyan na yung tumataas yung demand dun sa token. Syempre, kasabay ng pagtaas ng valuation or price ng token. Ang isang magandang project ay dapat may magandang burning mechanism to sustain overall future growth ng project and valuation ng token. So, less important thing to check is yung social media. You need to check out the official social media accounts ng project. Napakadali ngayon to get thousands of bot followers or members for small money on Twitter and Telegram or even in Facebook, di ba? Napakadali na ngayon mag-enable and activate ng ads. Kaya you have to pay attention to this. There are also a lot of trolls, di ba? And bots na will send you promising details of a scam project. Napakarami niyan lalo na sa Telegram and Discord. Even a YouTuber, they can easily pay just to create a blog review about their projects, di ba? Nandiyan yung mga expressions nila like, to the moon na times 100 token in 2 weeks, ganyan. So, don't believe in those kind of statements. Like if you value your money, sometimes they will even send you fake sites that will ask your seed phrase or contract address. Ganyan. If you happen to be a victim of a phishing site, I created a video to fix your wallet. You can check it in the video description also. So, I think that's it. Thank you for finishing this video and I hope marami kang natutunan na magagamit mo in your future investments sa crypto and NFT. If you find this video informative and helpful, please hit the like button. Don't hesitate to leave a comment or ask questions in our comment section below. I will reply as soon as I can. See you on my next video, NFT. Bye!